The results of the KHADC and GHADC elections have sparked growing public expectation for the newly elected representatives. Former Shillong College Principal MPR Lingdaw emphasized the crucial responsibility of the councils in preserving local traditions and community resources. She noted that these issues remain at the forefront of public concern, urging the new council members to meet the hopes and demands of their constituents in safeguarding the region's cultural heritage.
District Council kadang kabur apik yangi mayadayangi yakisdi kidustul yakajai kenja yakisong kitau klau kaptap yaki som kun kamariang mayada kitlong umbar khoi dan hak District Council di kadai kan penek besar yakajai berdiri tigi kibit tibun ki na nakini ki bethamai ki.
An awareness